Welcome back to Auto Craze, your favorite stop for everything futuristic, fun, and on wheels. If you're into unique rides, new tech, and the kind of travel that breaks all the rules, then you're in the right place. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and buckle up because today, we're diving into one of the coolest, quirkiest, and most practical innovations of the year, the 2025 Tricycle Camper. Now let's get something clear from the startup. This is not your average three-wheeler, and it's definitely not your average camper. The 2025 Tricycle Camper is an evolution. It's a modern response to the growing demand for compact, eco-friendly travel solutions that don't sacrifice comfort, adventure, or practicality. And while we're going to avoid getting into the interior in this video, trust me, there's still plenty to talk about. At first glance, the Tricycle Camper looks like something straight out of a sci-fi concept sketch. It's a three-wheeled vehicle that combines the mobility of a motorcycle with the utility of a compact camper. Its design is bold and aerodynamic, with smooth curves, an extended rear section, and a high-set cabin that blends seamlessly into the frame. The 2025 version sees several updates from its predecessors, and most noticeably in the materials used, which make it lighter, stronger, and more weather-resistant. The frame is made from a combination of lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon composite materials, giving it a surprisingly nimble feel while still being durable enough for long road trips and rugged terrain. The Trike setup features a single front wheel and two large rear wheels for added stability, particularly important when towing the extra weight of the camper module behind it. These rear wheels come with upgraded suspension, tuned specifically for touring comfort and to handle a heavier load without compromising the balance of the vehicle. In terms of size, the Tricycle Camper fits snugly into the category of microcampers. It's compact enough to maneuver through narrow back roads, city streets, and even some hiking trails, yet it's large enough to store all your travel gear and then some. The 2025 version has a slightly extended rear section compared to the 2024 model, giving it extra space for onboard storage and utilities. From the outside, it's clear that this machine was built with intention. The sleek panels not only look great, but also improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The camper pod is designed to minimize drag, with a teardrop-style profile that slices through the air, especially helpful when cruising at highway speeds. And when parked, the rear pod features leveling legs that can be deployed to stabilize the vehicle while you rest or cook outside. Speaking of cooking, the 2025 model now includes an external slide-out kitchenette, fully weatherproof and integrated neatly into the side panel. It includes a gas stove, a collapsible prep area, and a hookup for a portable water source. This means you can cook a full meal without even needing to enter the camper module. Perfect for those who love outdoor cooking or just need a quick coffee stop on the road. Another notable feature is the solar integration. The roof of the camper is fitted with flexible solar panels, which charge a battery system housed in the rear. This setup powers the onboard electronics, USB ports, and even an optional electric cooler. If you're going off-grid for a few days, the solar system ensures you can stay powered without relying on external hookups. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Tricycle Camper runs on a hybrid drivetrain, part electric, part petrol. The electric motor is mounted directly to the front wheel, providing immediate torque and silent starts. This is perfect for campground areas where noise is a concern or for sneaking through a quiet forest road at dawn. Meanwhile, the small petrol engine kicks in for longer hauls, giving you an impressive range without the anxiety of battery limitations. The combined system delivers around 70 horsepower, and not massive, but plenty for a lightweight vehicle like this. Top speeds cap around 80 miles per hour. Though it's most comfortable in the 50–60 miles per hour cruising range. And thanks to regenerative braking, the battery recharges as you coast or descend hills, giving you a little more freedom on the road. What really stands out about the 2025 model is its handling. Despite being a Trike, it doesn't feel clunky or awkward. In fact, the steering is smooth and responsive, with a newly revised front fork geometry that reduces wobble and improves turning radius. This makes it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating narrow roads or making tight turns in a campground. Another new feature for this year is the modular cargo rack, attached to the rear above the axle. It gives users the ability to carry extra gear like bikes, kayaks, or luggage boxes. It's fully removable and adjustable, depending on your needs. Combined with built-in tie-down hooks and weatherproof compartments, the storage system on the 2025 Tricycle Camper is one of the best in its class. Safety is also a major focus in this year's model. The updated LED lighting system includes adaptive headlights that adjust to steering input, ensuring the road ahead is always visible even on dark, winding trails. Rear brake lights now feature a strobing effect during sudden stops to alert vehicles behind you. There's also a backup camera system integrated into the rear of the camper, super helpful when parking or reversing into tight spots. On top of all this, the 2025 model includes a digital dashboard that syncs with your smartphone. It shows real-time performance stats, battery level, fuel usage, and trip tracking. You can also access maintenance alerts and firmware updates through the connected app. It's a small touch, but it brings a modern, tech-savvy edge to an already innovative vehicle. Let's talk about who the Trike is really for. It's perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, and couples who want to explore without committing to a full-size RV or van. It's also a great option for eco-conscious explorers who want to minimize their footprint while maximizing mobility. Its compact size means you can park in standard car spots, use less fuel, and access campsites that larger rigs can't reach. Now, while this camper isn't meant to replace a full-size trailer or motorhome, it's absolutely capable of delivering memorable adventures. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or planning a cross-country journey, the Tricycle Camper is the kind of rig that invites you to slow down, take the scenic route, and actually enjoy the ride. The 2025 edition is also very customization friendly. You can choose from several color options, different types of wheels, and even opt for extras like a roof rack, extra battery capacity, or a heavier-duty suspension system for rough road trips. And for those who like to travel with pets or carry extra gear, there's even a pet carrier module you can clip on the rear like a trailer extension. Let's not forget about the environmental aspect. With its solar panel system, hybrid engine, and small footprint, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is a great example of how mobility and sustainability can go hand in hand. It's not just a camper, it's a statement about the future of travel. Smaller, smarter, and more connected. In terms of pricing, the Tricycle Camper remains fairly accessible. While costs can vary depending on features and customization, the base model starts around the mid-$20,000 range. That's significantly cheaper than a full-size RV or even a high-end touring motorcycle. Factor in the fuel savings, maintenance simplicity, and the sheer fun of owning something this unique. And it's easy to see why the 2025 model is already generating buzz in the camping and overlanding communities. So, is the 2025 Tricycle Camper the right choice for you? If you're someone who values freedom, efficiency, and creativity in your travels, it might just be your dream machine. It's not about luxury or speed. It's about experiencing the world differently on your terms, in your own lane, and at your own pace. Alright folks. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Tricycle Camper. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers and adventurers. Let us know in the comments where you'd take a Trike camper like these off-grid mountains, coastal roads, maybe a cross-country tour. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews, future tech, and on-the-road explorations just like this. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your wheels spinning and your spirit wandering. See you in the next one.